Hello. So, most of the businesses using Mindbody are losing leads every single day, and not because of the traffic, but because their system is not connected properly. And I fixed that by integrating Mindbody with GoHighLevel, and the results were insane. So, hey, this is Vanessa from GHLVA, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we successfully integrated Mindbody with GoHighLevel and the exact setup process, and how is this change the way leads, booking, and follow up work ends. Follow up just work completely. Okay, so let me tell you the first real problem. So before showing this integration, the system looked like booking inside Mindbody, leads scattered, and no proper follow up, no automations, no visibility. And honestly, this is where most of the businesses are stuck. Okay, so then we decided to connect everything into one system using Go High Level, and that's when everything started working out like a machine. Okay, so let me show you step by step process. And so I'm going to tell you first step, which is just connect your mind body to GHL. We started by connecting mind body credentials inside the integration panel. As you can see, this is the dashboard of the Go High Level, and these on the left hand side you can see the mind body setting. And you and in this dashboard you can see site id, API key, staff, username, password, time zone, and every stuff you can see that. So this is critical for authentication as shown in this setup, and you need to verify your connection properly before moving forward. Okay, so let me tell you the second step, where you need to enable the syncing settings. So you can see the sync preferences. So this is where most people make mistakes. We enable custom syncing, appointment syncing, order and purchase syncing. So this ensure your data flows and automatically into Go High Level. So from the guide, these are the controller under the syncing preferences, and which define what data gets pushed between the systems. Okay, and let's just go to the third step, which is GHL calendar connection. Okay, so now this is where the magic really happens, and we connected the GHL location and selected default calendar, and we also mapped the syncing appointments. We also mapped the syncing appointments, and this step ensure that every booking from the mind body appears inside the GHL. Okay, and the document clearly shows that selecting default calendar for the synced appointments, which is critical for proper mapping. Okay, and you can see the tagging system. So that is the your fourth step is gonna be start, and we added the contact tags like mind body, you can see member, location, specific tags also you can add. Okay, so like you can just add your another tags. And so just why we just added these tag, because it's equal to the automation control. Okay, now let's go to the full automation syncing. Let me just show you the fifth and final step. Okay, so you can just we can run a full syncing. Okay, so from here this appointment syncing, you as you can see that this is currently just hold on, this is currently loading. Yeah, uh, so in this step you can see that we can just resyncing. So you can click on the resyncing, and you can check the status, you can validate your data. So when you see connection successful found the site, you know everything is working out and everything is working correctly. So after this setup, everything changed. Like your leads automatically captured, appointment syncing instantly done, follow up triggers automatically, and CRM organized, so you don't need to do any manual work. Okay, so the real powers come from workflows, follow up, CRM, tagging, and customer journey. Okay, so without that, you are just syncing the data, not building a system. So today is the video that it was all about the mind body integration with the Go High Level. So let's connect on the next video. Thank you, and please just mark your comments. Thank you.